Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to connect Bluetooth headset devices in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Add Device. Click Bluetooth. Make sure your device is turned on. Select your headset. Your device is successfully connected. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.